You're on the House Select Intel Committee, specifically on the subcommittee that oversees the CIA. The CIA is reportedly providing the intelligence for the military boat strikes in Venezuela. Is there anything the committee is learning from the CIA about the double tap strike or other strikes?
Well, we have been briefed. What I will say is that while the U.S. is not a signatory to the UN Convention's Law of the Sea, I think we have to be very careful that we should act consistently with provisions within the Law of the Sea. And, within that, countries have agreed not to intervene with ships operating in international waters.
A room full of everyone who asked.